What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, blessed, growing, and prosperous day. Today is a beautiful day, you guys. Look, see, it's a beautiful day out here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. You guys, we're out here at the greenhouse. We're about to go inside. And guess what? We have a special guest. We have a special guest in the house today. Ethan Schmeaton! Say what's up, Ethan!
Hey.
He's going to help me in the garden today, you guys. He's going to be the cameraman. He's going to be the planter. He's going to do everything today. Okay, you guys? Teach them young, and they will never depart from it. So we're going to be growing today. Ethan Schmeaton. Hold the camera for me, Ethan. We got it?
Yeah.
Is it showing me?
Mm-hmm.
We can see? Okay. So today, you guys, we're going to put our strawberries in the ground. We're going to put some other stuff in the ground. And Ethan's going to help me. So let's come on into the greenhouse. And Ethan is my cameraman. You know, I never have a cameraman, y'all. So I am like super excited because I never have a cameraman. So Ethan, you got to record me now. You got to record me while I'm talking. You love that guy. Yeah, so you have to record me while I'm talking, okay? And show everything I'm doing. So we're going into the greenhouse, you guys. And this is Ethan's first time in the greenhouse, so I'll record him so he can look around. That's Ethan Schmeaton. That's our grandson, you guys. He's gotten so big. So Ethan, we got all this kind of stuff over here. Put our grow light. Yeah. We got stuff growing over there. And we're going to plant some new stuff. Okay? So you take the camera. And we're going to get our package. Okay, you guys. So I told you, it doesn't cost much to garden. And Ethan's the cameraman. And I hope he remembers he's the camera guy. I never have a camera guy, you guys. I'm like super excited. You know, somebody, I can show y'all what I'm doing while I'm doing it. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to try the strawberry roots. Mm-hmm. And then I don't even know how to act because I don't have the camera. Are you on me, Ethan, or are you on me? Okay, you got Yow! Oh, what's up, you guys? So we're gonna plant some seeds today. I'm gonna show Ethan how to plant the seeds today. So I'm just gonna get the cups ready, and he's gonna do all the work. Okay? You got me on camera, Ethan?
Yep.
All right. So today we have a visitor in the greenhouse. Yes, our first visitor to the greenhouse is Ethan. All right, Ethan, what you want to plant? I'm going to get some seeds for us. And you can video what you want, Ethan. You can come around here. You can video whatever you want. And it's warm in here, right?
Yeah.
It says 107 degrees, you guys. And it's like 30 degrees outside. 40 degrees, maybe 50. But yeah, the greenhouse can get really hot. So, yeah. The plants love it. Let me turn my heater off. Turn the heater off because it's warm enough out here and the sun is shining on all of our plants. Thank you, Lord, for a great day. All right, so Ethan, we're going to get our soil mix, our seed starting mix.
Mm-hmm.
So that's step number 1, your soil. Step number 2, something to put your seeds in. Okay. And step number 3, what else do we need? We got soil, we got pots. What we're going to put in it? There you go. We need seeds. So what do you want to plant? We have tomatoes, we have cucumbers, we have peppers. We have... You want to do the tomato? Okay, he wants to plant tomatoes, you guys. So we're going to plant tomatoes. Well, Ethan's going to plant tomatoes. I'm going to let him do it. I'm just going to get everything ready for him. I hope you guys are having a great, blessed, growing, prosperous day. My cameraman, I don't know if I'm hoping he's getting me, y'all. I'm hoping. So Ethan's going to plant these today. So there's his 3 items. His soil, his pots, and his seeds. And then what's one more thing we're missing?
Water.
There you go. See, you guys, teach them young and they will never depart from it. So I'm going to take the camera. I'm going to let Ethan go out here and get some water. All right. So, yeah, we've been collecting rainwater, you guys. Here, take your cup. Here's a cup. You guys, it doesn't cost much to garden and do what you do. And here's some rainwater. And it has ice on it because it froze last night. So just dip your cup in your water.
That's enough.
You can fill it all the way up. Fill it all the way up with that good rainwater. I know it's cold, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go, you guys. We're gonna do some seed planting. We're gonna let the youth do it. We're gonna let our young people do it, you guys. And thank you for tuning in and watching SkinnyBoyRandy Farms. Okay, so now you have your soil, you have your pots, you have your starting mix. Now we have to mix the starting mix up. So we're going to use, let's use this container. Okay. So Ethan has to make his soil starting mix. Let's set his water over here. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, there you see starting mix. You have to pop it open. Just kind of pull it from the side a little bit. Yeah. Here, what I do, I just take it in. And you hold the camera for a second.
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure don't push the button so we don't cut it off. We're just gonna pop the seed starting mix, you guys. There we go. And I'll take the camera back. Okay. So he's going to do his own.
In here?
Yep, just put a little bit, not the whole thing, because you're only doing 2 pots.
Yeah. So.
Ethan is doing gardening, you guys. Yep, put some more, put some more.
Here we go.
I think that'll do it. Yeah, maybe test it out with your cup. See how much you got. Because once the water gets on it, it's going to seep down some. So, yeah, put a little bit more in there. And we can always plant some more stuff. Put the whole bag. That's what we do, right? Okay, okay, okay. Just put the whole bag. And then here's your water. Take your seed pot out. There we go. Now add your water. Pour the whole thing in there. Just pour it. Now go get you another cup. I think we're gonna need some more.
Yeah.
Yes, you guys. We're doing gardening with the youth. That's what it's all about. Teaching them how to garden. SkinnyBoyRandy, I love you guys. You're the best. There you go. We might need some more. Start mixing it up with your hand. You gotta use your hands and get it all in there. Get dirty. All about the gardening. There you go. Just mix it all up. Go ahead. Yeah, mix it on up. Go ahead. Quicker, quicker, faster, faster. We're on video. You gotta show the people. There you go. Keep on doing it. There you go. See how it turned? Moist.
Yeah.
How does it feel on your fingers?
Feels weird.
You said it feels weird. Think we need a little bit more water. Keep going. Go all the way down. Mix it up real good. Real good. Yeah. Go ahead and get in there. There you go. It's looking good, you guys. Ethan does a great job. Looks better than mine. I think he got it, y'all. I I think he got. Let me touch it and feel it. Yep, he got it perfect. He did it perfect on the first try. Okay, so now what we're gonna do next? We're gonna put.
Put it in the
There you go. You tell everybody what you're doing.
You gotta put it in the flower pot.
Okay. You gotta tell the people what you're doing. You're putting the soil
We're putting
in.
the soil.
You gotta
in
talk
the
to the
pot.
people while you're doing it. Go ahead.
Is that enough? Think that's enough?
And then pat it down a little bit all the way around. Make sure you don't have any holes at the bottom, you know, so
Yeah.
the roots can get to it. There you go. Perfect. Okay, now do your second one and tell the people what you're doing.
Gotta put, if you're doing two, you gotta put some more in the other one. You gotta pat it all around.
And why are we patting it all around?
So the roots, when they grow, it won't be any holes.
There you go. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so he did this too. Well, you can put a little bit more in both, a little bit before you put your seeds in. There you go. That's good enough. Some more in that one. Good, good, good. Okay, now what seeds you decided to plant?
The tomatoes.
Tell the people. You talking to the people.
Tomatoes.
And what else you gonna plant? I thought you had two. You got tomatoes. And
yeah, sweet peppers. Sweet peppers.
okay. So
That one up.
watch your pack so it don't fall out. Now the seeds don't fall out.
Then we gotta open this.
So which one you got?
I got the sweet peppers.
Okay.
And I got
You're gonna
tomatoes.
all right. So they're very tiny. Now be careful.
Yeah.
Be careful. Take your time. Don't pour it too fast. You see them? See?
It's small.
Get you 3 and put it in there. 3 or 4. Is it any more in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
Got to.
That's all right.
So then we have to make a hole, like little holes.
Just a little bit. There you go. Just a little bit. He's a great gardener, you guys. I didn't even have to tell him about the finger roll. He did it on his own. See? And these are going to be Ethan's peppers. He's going to harvest them. He's going to grow them. Okay, there you go.
That one.
And one more in there.
Okay.
All right, you gonna show the people?
Yeah. Then I just covered them up.
Just a little bit, not too much.
Yep.
And there you go. Ethan planted some, what's the name of your peppers?
Sweet peppers. 3 sweet peppers.
He planted 3 sweet peppers. Now, also what we have to do is label.
Ooh.
He has to put his label on his peppers, you guys. And I don't have my marker out here, but we'll do that after he finishes his other one. We'll do that after you finish your other. Go ahead and do your tomato. And then we'll do the labeling.
Oh, these ones are even smaller.
Very small, right?
Yeah.
Show the people. See? These are Ethan's. What are you planting now?
Tomatoes.
What kind?
Rooter.
Record.
Record.
There you go.
Okay. Make little holes in the soil. Pop that one in. I think I put 2. Okay. Got 1 in there. And I'll cover it up with the dirt. Then I get another seed. get a little hole. Okay, put that one in there. Cover that one up. Right here. And put that one in there. And then cover that one up. There we go.
All right, you done?
Yep. Planted 3 tomatoes and then 3 sweet peppers.
Okay, so take one of your where your tomatoes and where your sweet peppers. Did you switch it up? Which one is which?
This one is the tomatoes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Now put your one of those in there so we can go in the house and label it with the marker. Just slide one on out.
Yeah.
And put it in your tomato so that way we know we didn't label one. I thought the other one was your tomato.
This one is.
You know what? We don't know, you guys. If it's tomato or peppers, we don't know. We're just going to figure it out as we go, okay, you guys?
I think this one.
That's okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Can't find it. Okay.
So we're going to label that one tomato, and then when we go in the house, we're going to put another label on that one. If you put both in there now, you won't remember. So don't put the other one in there. Okay. So that's tomato. We're just going to leave that one in there, okay?
Okay.
So give your sign off. Tell the people goodbye.
Bye.
And tell them everything you just did.
So I just planted some sweet peppers in this pot.
You can show them. Put it up to the camera.
This pot, these are the sweet peppers. And then I planted some tomatoes. This one.
So you're going to keep up with them? You're going to come check on them? All right.
Every time I get a chance, I'm going to come check on them.
All right. Give your sign off.
Bye.